This short video shows how to set up, perform and then read RapID identification systems. These colour-based tests can identify over 400 organisms in 4 hours or less. All products in the range use a common procedure with one-step inoculation, aerobic incubation and no oil overlay. Each kit contains 20 panels or tests, incubation trays, report sheets, colour guide, appropriate dedicated reagents. Inoculation fluid and ancillary reagents are sold separately. Let's see how easy it is to use. Prior to identification, the organisms must be grown in a pure culture and examined by gram stain. Getting the correct suspension is important, and turbidity varies depending on the kit. With a cotton swab or inoculating loop, suspend sufficient growth in the inoculation fluid using the correct McFarland turbidity standard for reference. Using a pipette, remove the contents from the tube. To inoculate the panel, peel back the lid, gently transfer the entire contents of the inoculation fluid tube into the upper right-hand corner of the panel. Then reseal by pressing the tab back into place. Using the bench top as a level surface, tilt the panel away from the test wells at a 45-degree angle. While tilted back, gently rock the panel from side to side, evenly distributing the inoculum along the rear baffles. While maintaining a level horizontal position, slowly tilt forward until all the inoculum flows into the reaction wells. Load inoculated panels into the trays provided and transfer to a non-CO2 incubator at 30 to 37 degrees centigrade for the designated time. Incubation times and temperatures vary depending upon the RapID system. After incubation, some RapID systems require the addition of reagents for colour development. Wells requiring reagents are indicated like this. Peel back the protective lid to expose the test wells. Add the required reagent to the indicated wells. In most cases, colour development is immediate. For best results, observe the panel from the top reading down through the test wells against a white background. Read and score wells from left to right using the colour guide or instructions for use as a reference. Avoid excessive examination of subtle shades of colour. Simply score the test based on first impression, using pluses and minuses to indicate positive and negative reactions. A numerical microcode is derived from the scores. These microcodes form the basis for identifications. Some wells provide more than one reaction. In this case, extra reagents must be added. Repeat the process already described, carefully following the instructions for use. Next, we'll enter the microcode into ERIC to give us an identification. This web-based application features probability percent, bioscore, contraindicated test results, accessory tests, and clinically relevant comments. And now it's just 3 simple steps to obtain your identification. To start, you have the option of entering your patient or sample ID here. This isn't compulsory, but you may find it useful as ERIC can link to other systems. Then select the RapID panel you have used from the drop-down menu and enter your microcode here. Press Submit and your results appear. These can be stored and accessed again at any time, or included in one of many reports also available from ERIC. It couldn't be simpler. RapID is an easy-to-use one-step identification system for a wide variety of organisms in 4 hours or less.